In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to connect Supabase to N8N. So the first step is to simply log into your Supabase account and navigate to the desired project. Then simply go to project settings and then go to API keys and then copy the project URL. Now reveal and copy the service role secret, and after that you just have to open your N8N instance and create a new workflow or open an existing one. Now add a new node to your workflow canvas and search for Supabase and select the Supabase node. Now after that you just have to create a new credential. So within the Supabase node settings, click on create new credential, paste the copied project URL into the host field, paste the copied service role secret into the service role secret field, and then simply click save to save the credentials. Now after that, so basically after saving the credentials, N8N will typically attempt to test the connection. Connection tested successfully message indicates a successful setup. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.